Started, yeah. So how many grams of oxygen? What is asked question? How many grams of oxygen are required to react with 55 grams of iron? So what is given? 55 grams of iron. So that means mass is given and mass is asked, right? So your plan should be, it's very little longer than what we did so far. How you start? See, grams given. You start with grams given, convert this to moles first, because given reaction is always mole to mole ratio, remember. So that's why you need to convert grams given to moles given. And then once you do this one step, now back to what we just completed. Moles given to what we just did, right? So it's moles desired, and finally moles desired convert to mass or gram desired. So this must be your plan or strategy.
Four steps.
Strategy to, yeah, this is like it's I would call 3 steps.
3 steps. Yeah.
We did first step, second one we did 2 step. This one is your 3 step. Good. Now let's do how we now. You don't need to really write down all these stoichiometric ratio. Try to work it out as you work again, okay? Along with it. So start with 55 grams of iron. Now, how can we convert grams given to moles given? What you needed for that? You are required molar mass of iron. So you remember from the previous problem, right? 1 mole iron is how many grams of iron? 56 gram, right? So I like to do this, or you don't need parentheses, it's up to you. Then we are able to convert now, see, grams of iron to moles given. We are able to change 1 step. What's the next one now? Mole to mole ratio. So what is this ratio between? You have this between iron and oxygen. So what's the stoichiometric ratio between that two?
4 to 3.
It is 4 to 3. How to set up? Which one should go?
Oxygen on 4.
So we need to cancel iron. So how we do that?
3 oxygen.
So it is 4 moles
Moles of iron.
iron is
3 moles
equal to
oxygen.
3 moles oxygen. So far good? Right? So let's just put it in the parentheses. See, we are here right now, right? And this one, moles given, we did this part. And from this, what can be cancelled?
Iron.
Iron is cancelled. So we are good. See, we are looking for moles of oxygen, so it's still there. Now how to do this part then? Let me use another marker. So you need to convert to mass or grams of oxygen. We just did, right? How you know what is the molar mass of 1 mole of oxygen? 1 mole oxygen is how many grams of oxygen?
36 times 2.
It is 32 grams of oxygen. How? You have 2O, right? Oxygen 2. So 2 times 16. So that's why this is very important. And then you put that. We are good so far. Look, this gonna cancel, moles cancel, and you left with grams. Now you want to do your math. What is left over now? You have 55 times 1 times. I always say to take or even 1, try to get it. So you have 56 times 4 times 1. And what is our unit left? Grams of oxygen. Let's find the mass then, guys.
Stop it.
Find the mass yourself and see we get correct or not.
Stop
Yeah,
it.
you can stop.